Jay, back with another video. This video is basically about the Honda. I don't know, I had a little brain fart, but the window will not go back up. Window stuck like this. It's been stuck like this for a couple of weeks now. Just been too lazy to fix it. I ordered the part a couple of weeks ago, but today I have to go out of town, so I kinda need to fix it before I go out of town. So I'm fresh off work, and right now that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna fix it. In my favor, I already had the door panel off. I gotta remove this bracket and the rest of this plastic trim and the speaker, and then I'm just gonna let the window down because it won't go all the way up to these two holes right here to where I can get it out. So I gotta take it off from down here and where the speaker is at. All right, speaker out, so I'm gonna let it hang. I'm gonna connect this back and roll the window down. I gotta find me a 10 wrench. Okay, so I didn't record it, but I was able to break out the first 10, knocking and loosening by hand. Now I'm gonna have to reach through there to break off the other 10, and then I should be able to push the window up, and I'll probably hold it up with some tape and take the regulator out. Mind y'all, it is like maybe 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, so I know my neighbors hear me, but I need to get this done, or at least close to getting done. The boy got both the bolts out the window, so I should be able to, slide it up and then tape it motherfucker. It's gonna be hard to pull this. I'm gonna put the camera over there. I just got this shit moving. Now I don't want to cooperate. Ain't that some shit? So I took out the 2 bolts at the bottom. These 2 bolts hold the regulator down. I can loosen that one, take this one out. Loosen, take out. And then I should be able to slide the regulator out. But when I do that, this window is gonna fall. But at this point, I don't care. And yes, I'm sweating. Yes, I am. So basically, you want to get these loose enough to where you can move it. It goes in the hole, goes in the hole, goes in the hole. Then you just slide it out. So I got majority of the stuff out. The motor is out. It's sitting behind here. I just gotta get this out, and then the window is gonna probably drop down. But I'm gonna wait until it's sunlight because I don't want to deal with my neighbors. Yeah. I'm gonna do the door just like this too. I'll come back out. Literally just started and almost done. Here's my part, by the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. And then, like I said, when the sun come up, we'll be back out there. You see it. Premium window regulator. Yes, sir. Straight from China. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm gonna take the bolts out of the old one. 2 go right there. 2 go right there. And then 3 go right there. And then boom. Plug it in. And then my window works again. That was a bar. So now we wait till the sun comes up. And yes, I'm gonna leave the door open. I got a jump block, so don't care. Just don't want to hear my neighbor's bitch about anything. At least let it be some type of sunlight outside. All right, so the sun out, I was able to get the window like this. That shit ugly as fuck, but I should be able to take the window regulator out right now, which is what I'm about to do, and we're gonna put a new one in. New window regulator versus old window regulator. I need to transfer over that bolt to right there, and these 2 bolts to the motor, and I can install it back. All right, so I got all the bolts transferred over, and basically now to put it back, it's simple. You just gonna put it through this hole and then connect the bolts right there and over here. Motor goes right here on this side right there, and then the rail for the window regulator goes from up there straight down. Like I said, bolt right there, right there, right there. Then I just gotta connect the 2 bolts at the bottom. I connect those 2 bolts at the bottom. All I gotta do is put the window back in. And I got a working window. All right, so all bolts are in for the window regulator. So everything's lined up, and I'm gonna tighten all the bolts down, and we're gonna put the window back in. Almost connected. Window regulator is inside the car. Just got to install the window. All right, so you just installed the window regulator, and you want to put the window back in. You're gonna turn the car on basically and connect the control, and you're gonna go up till you get right there. Now you can put the window in, and you can bolt it up. All you need is a ratchet, a 10, and an extension, and you're good. When you put the window in correctly, if you look right there, it's enough to put the bolts in to lock the window into place. I'm gonna start the bolts in there. So they're both in there. All I gotta do is tighten it down. Window regulator in though. Told y'all. Now let's make sure this shit works. Cool. Cool. Yes, sir. Now that the window works, I gotta put everything that I took off back. Speaker, door panel, and I gotta fix one connector. I pressed this in the door by accident, but I got the connector, and I also got 2 connectors basically. One is depinned and one has the wires on it, and I'm gonna figure that out, but that's besides the point. I'm gonna install the speaker back, door panel back. Don't really care for this like that, but I'll fix it eventually. The only thing that matters right now is this. Door panel back installed. Car is good to go. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Peace.